Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing a happy mail from Kathleen Wilson, and you can find her here. Actually, you can't find her on YouTube. You can find her on Instagram, however. And she's wrote me a little letter, and I'll read this later on. It's a cute little Mickey Mouse paper. So, so that is so cute. So this comes from Australia. I'm in Canada, and she is one of my pen pals, and that is just so cute. There was a very pretty wrapping that it came in. I took it all off because it had our addresses all over it, but she has sent me some yummy little candies, and I think I'm noticing a carnival theme. There was a carousel sticker on the front of the box, and as I open this up more, I see more and more carousel. Oh, this is great. I love black and white twine, and I'm actually out. I can show you, like I have twine here, numerous packages, and like all just sitting on my desk always, and I've used up all of the black twine from there, so I'm super happy to get this. I will put that to great use. Let's just take everything out. So cute. Some more candy. Wicked Fizz. Definitely going to share those with my daughters. This is so sweet. Oh, I love these rosettes that she made me. Love all of the sparkles and happiness in the bottom of the box. Some fun little sequins and things. I'll put this all back in here. I'll read the letter later. And let's take a look at the things that she has created. So first, let's start with another candy, Orange Fizz. Oh, this is, wow, this is neat. This is an iridescent tulle with sparkly hearts on it. I have to open that up. So this is like, she is totally a girl after my own heart. Look at the other thing I have just sitting here, sparkly tulle. It's like, but this is different and unique, and these are things that I use so much that they're always just sitting within my reach, so I can add a little layering here or put a little twine there. So that's great. I appreciate that. Oh, look at this. It's a little popcorn. It's like sticky pad or notepad, and she's just decorated a little embellishment cluster on the top of this clear bag with these fun little tickets and stickers. Butterfly, the gold thread, and the heart in there behind. So she's layered up some fun pieces of ephemera, stickers. Love that little hot air balloon. Oh, I see. She's created a little edging, so this can come off and we can save it. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh, it makes me want to pull out my carousel collection again. Oh, wow. I have never seen these embellishments from Maggie Holmes before. So it's from the carousel collection because I recognized the logo, and I didn't even know these existed. Well, there you go. I was saying I wanted to pull out my carousel collection, and I have a great excuse to. So this is fun. Potato. I love the feel of these glassine bags. I love the sound. She's got this cute little roller skate on top of this banner. And what's tucked away hiding in here? Oh, itsy bitsy paperclip pack. Those are so adorable. This is interesting. It reminds me of Doodlebug, but it's made for someone in Australia. But very similar ideas. Also very similar to like a Shopkins, where they make little characters out of food, and super cute. I'll definitely use those. So I was showing you these. We could see, oh, there's lots of sparkle. Open this up in the box in case any of the sparkly sequins fall out. So let's take a closer look at these. Beautiful layering. Look at that sparkle. So I love it. So she used some sequins in the pack. She like sprinkled them in, and they've stuck to her creation. And that's not like specifically intentional, because I've done that before, and I actually really like the way that that came out, because it just gives an extra sparkle. And who doesn't love extra sparkle? Love her layering here. Super cute. See, this is this kind of thing that I like to do as well. She's got a little bit of tulle right on top of that rosette. You can just see tiny little bits of it peeking out, and the thread, and her layering is just so great. Very cute. Okay, and she has made me one of her infamous tag flips. She is amazing at creating tag flips. Let's take it out of the package here. So again, the little cotton candy. Love how it's like multicolored. Super cute. Stitched down the middle. Put this gorgeous black and white bow. It's actually a black and cream bow on a black binder ring. Love how she made it all on this piece of vellum. Super cute. Now, I would guess that she has stamped and colored this girl, and if not, she has fussy cut it at least. But that is a pretty focal point, again with the gold stitching around each of the tags. Such a pretty feature. And then she's layered up all sorts of tickets and ephemera in here. This cute little white tag. Oh, and she's tucked away a little paper clip banner embellishment as a gift for me to be able to use on my projects. I love this paper here. I also love this one. It's those colors, the blue and the white and the pink, with those specific shades. I don't even know if blue is a proper term for this mint green, minty teal. I love how she stitched across the word love there. A little thickers. It's cute. Look at this. A little bit crazy in love with you. Oh, and that's such a good idea too. She stitched on the little balloon animal. Love this giraffe. This is from crepe paper as well, but from Sweet Story, which I really like that collection. And again, I'm feeling inspired to pull that one out again. I love the gold hints with the thread in behind and the stitching and this little sparkle. I bet you she punched out her own tag reinforcers and put that on there. I love this sparkly little gem there too. And then we've got another tag all stitched with beautiful gold thread. She's got that camera. All sorts of tickets layered in with flower. Oh, so cute. How she's created a little shaker pocket out of this ice cream ephemera. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then she's layered that on top of this beautiful vellum that's stitched in gold. It's just so sweet. This is probably my favorite embellishment from this whole collection, so I love that she included that in the tag flip. And then she's got a pocket here where she's tucked in some fun little stickers and pieces from the collection. And then these are some different sort of planner stickers. Great. Tuck those there. Ooh, that's an interesting heart. It's actually like metal. Oh, and there's another one. I never did get these pieces either from the carousel collection. It's really quite stunning. I love how she's stitched sweet down there. So fun. I just love it all. We have a way of shipping to each other. It doesn't end up costing like a ridiculous amount of money. So we try to create packages that are light and small and just provide, a few things, like a few little treats and a few handmade goodies and a purchased gift. So I really appreciate this fun package that came from Australia, and I'm inspired to create. I've already got some things created for Kathleen, but I'm inspired to create some more and send her package off to her. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.